Today it's the 19th of September 2022 and we have Puistokaari Parksvängen 1360. This is the last staircase in this residential building. You can watch the staircases A, B and C here. It's also here in Lauttasaari, close to Koivusaari, Björkholmen metro station here in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa, Finland. It's also close to Kone, Enosen. It was built in 1956, turned 65 years old in the last year, 2021, December 6837. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. This one should have been in Swedish, not in Finnish and English.
Yeah.
Also deserves 3 rights.
Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kone.
I love the sounds of the smell in here.
Same.
Might have been finished in late 1956.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, don't close it.
Yeah. Okay. That's